Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at S&P 500, that is SPY, then QQQ, that is the Nasdaq, and then tech stocks, that is Microsoft, Apple, Meta, Netflix, Google, and Amazon. So let's go through all of these bigger market movers, and we are seeing a really great price action for another massive move setting up for this week, guys. For this week is going to be amazing in the market, seems like. So, well, let's take a look at all that price action. Now, before going further, I also want to let you know, none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. And don't forget to check out my Junior Trader Dividend Investing channel. I just did a video on the portfolio updates as for the month-end profits and dividends, and here I hold Nvidia, Tesla, Amazon, energy ETFs, finance ETFs, utility ETFs, you name it, everything in a balanced portfolio, and I have been building it from last 3 months for you all. Now, if you are interested to follow along, you will find the link to this channel in the description of this video. Subscribe here as well, like the videos. That really helps out the channel as well, and I really appreciate your support as well. All right, now starting off with S&P 500, that is SPY. So the very first thing is, this is what I have been saying, that guys, we are still in the bullish structure even through these pullbacks. All these, some of the days we were having sell-off, that was fine. We were still in the bullish structure, and still we are. Now, the most amazing thing that is about to happen on SPY, and you can see precisely the blue box that I provided you from 554 to 556. I mentioned that, guys, this is still just a pullback zone, support zone. Even if we break it, we'll still have huge good support coming 20 and 50, but regardless, we never even broke that level, because that's why I provided you that blue box, guys. Until then, forget even about the cool offs to down to that 20 and 50, and this is still a good support. We're just going sideways. Things are looking good, and you can see how S&P 500, the market, just getting bought back up, guys. This is just about this, the way the candle has come, beautiful wick down at our support box, good green close of the body. I mean, this looks unstoppable to me to break the all-time highs, and we might be setting up new highs this week, guys, on S&P 500. Now, what if the sell-off happens, Junior Trader? Well, guys, here's the thing. This is a really good buying candle. Well, again, anything can happen in the market. Stop loss has to be below the blue box, but I don't expect a red candle like this. If it happens, it happens. But excuse me, sorry. Probability of that happening is negligible, maybe 4%, 3%. Let's go to the hourly interval. Things will get more clear. Look at the beauty of the price action. That's why these levels are so important. Get my tools, get my indicators. Links to my tools are in the description below. That marks these levels automatically. All the beautiful structure that it shows you. I also have day trading bot, swing trading bot, everything. Links are in the description below of this video to my tools. All right. Now, so we found support still at 200 hours moving average on the hourly interval, just above that blue box as well. We have still a really beautiful, buying happening, and this thing has taken out this level 563 as well, right? So hey, what to watch from here on, guys? The way this demand candle has come up, it's really awesome. Let's say if technically the structure is to the upside intraday and even swing, right? Any pullback, even if it happens, but if it can hold above this zone of 561 on intraday to 562, that's just constitute a pullback, and we can still just continue higher. As long as we are above 200 hours moving average intraday, I'm not worried as well now. As well, I wasn't even worried before. That's why I provided you this blue box, and overall, even after that, I provided you 20 and 50 days area, moving average area, until that pullback. Even if that would have happened, that would still just would have stayed bullish structure. But anyways, let's go to the 5 minutes interval. I'm just providing you at this point the pullback levels, and that will just keep it bullish. The plays would be bullish on this thing. So yeah, any pullback to this zone like 561.64 cents, or even 561.16 cents on SPY will just be a pullback. We do, if let's say sell-off start happening, we need to see price action hold here, and which most likely it will, because these are the important significant levels, and also the carried over the levels, and we will have likelihood of continuing higher. Yeah, guys, market may make new all-time highs. I'm telling you. Sorry, it took me I just wanted to spend a lot of time here talking about of this beautiful price action, and I have been saying this that market is just bullish and bullish. And if you have access to my tools, you already knew when the structure turned bullish right over here. And look at these moves we have been getting since thereafter, right? Okay, let's take a look at Nasdaq. That is QQQ, and another amazing candle close on this thing. I mean, I told you this thing can become a pivot here if we close this candle above 473 and 81 cents. We did that. That's an amazing pivot, guys. Awesome, awesome pivot. Loving it. QQQ is also set up to the upside, and this is a really good pivot. And let's go to the hourly interval to talk more about it. And here we are. Got above 200 hours moving average as well. QQQ can still remain bullish, continue to go up as if we stay above 473 and 82 cents even through the pullback. It's just a bullish structure still. All right. And that daily interval candle was what I was telling you. We also took out those pivots, right? This resistance zone, we took these out, right? So that's amazing. As I said, that day on Friday, I talked about it when I was doing in the, a little bit of the morning update I was providing you then. I said if we can close above this level of 473, that's a very, very good bullish close. And guys, we got that. That will constitute this as a pivot, and we got that pivot in our hand. So as yeah, 473 and 80 cents above, we just can continue higher from here on as well on Nasdaq. Microsoft. So Microsoft, interestingly enough, is staying above 200 days moving average. Pretty much that's the area I provided you. It's not complicated. 410 and above is just an upside play. All right, and we are just getting that. So does it has enough strength though? That's the question. All right, let's go to the hourly interval and let's take a look at the levels. Easy peasy play. If we get above 200 hours moving average, it can continue higher. Guys, look. Yes, price action is looking very solid, very strong, but please have a stop loss. Nothing is guaranteed in stock market. It's all about the game of probability, and right now probability is looking more to the upside. Okay, that's why I'm just talking about that. Much more things are looking to the upside because price action is showing me that. But have a stop loss on the other side regardless at those important levels that I'm talking about, right? And because those are the break of the structure levels, right? But price action has confirmed really good upside strength and things are looking awesome. Yeah, Microsoft 417 and above is just a continuation to the upside. At this point, if Microsoft has to really, again, 410 is still the level. If Microsoft can break below it, then only downside, I would say, otherwise now. Apple. So Apple technically is still in the bullish structure, and this is the level I provided you, right? Like 227 after this upside as well. I said that even if the sell-off continues, but if we can still close above 227, this is just a bullish structure. And guys, we are still on Apple in the bullish structure. It's not complicated. Yes, the pullbacks are happening, but those, if you just carry on to this position, you are already, price has moved, right? The price action hasn't broken to the downside. Price action is still bullish on Apple, right? Let's go to the hourly interval to take a look at more on the intraday side, right? What things can we look at? Yeah, this was the level 227 and we're staying above it. We're still bullish, and if we continue to stay above it, that's the level. Below this and below 200 is only when I would like to see the short. Otherwise, no, it's just pullbacks are just a buy. Meta. Let's go to the daily interval first. So Meta, though cooling off, but it's almost just still holding this particular level of hours, that is $515 and 20 days moving average constantly closing above that. The next move to the upside is, which just looks like it want to, it's a good close and will be above the level of 523 and 56 cents. If we lose the level of 515 for any reason, then downside, otherwise now. So yes, it's looking strong. Intraday can continue higher. For the intraday, just keep an eye on the 200 hours moving average if some resistance would come at closer to the previous supplies. And just keep an eye on that as well. But things are still looking strong on Meta. Look, and the only way things can really break to the downside would be if pre-market just really collapse somehow. All right. Okay, Netflix. Netflix, oh, wow. I mean, I don't even have to talk anything about it. Structure has been full on bullish. Still, I have been saying that, guys, it's just a sideways action. I gave you this blue box as well down here. No problem. We got test of that. Boom, kaboom, to the upside, right? This is where the structure full on, at least by my indicator, changed bullish, and we have been going bullish. Got access to my tools. trade like a pro, trade with the structure, and you would know very well what is the structure telling you, right? And so structure is still bullish on Netflix as well, and very strong close. This thing is setting up to the upside. I mean, yeah, like very strong close on Netflix, and yeah, pullback on this are just a buy as long as we don't lose this pivot. Well, anything above 200 hours moving average pullback, at least for intraday, can just continue higher. This thing is still very bullish. Google on the other side, it's still weak, unfortunately. This thing didn't quite go up as with the rest of the market. Google will only start to look a little bit bullish if it gets above 164. Otherwise, right now it's just a waiting game. And I don't want to trade short because the whole market is going up. So Google is part of that. You will just get chopped up, or if you will lose money if the whole market is going up and Google is slow, it doesn't mean it's time to short Google, because Google has parts of its shares in other indices. So if those indices are getting bought back up, if Google in itself doesn't having that strength, it will still show a little bit of that upside which you are seeing here, right? So don't try to short it if the overall market is getting bought back up. Hourly interval, as I said, I want to see some more strength on this, and that's the level. If Google can get above 108.64, then only I would look for the upside. Okay, let's take a look at Amazon. Amazon, really good strong move, staying above that 200 days moving average, the blue box as well. That was the area we got above that. 173.95 cents, strong upside. Getting back again into this blue box seems like it want to continue higher though. Let's go to the hourly interval. This is a very good strong price action, very strong. All right, so with Amazon, whoa, wow. Guys, any pullback to the level of, at this point, 176.70 is just a buy, even at 200 hours moving average. And there's this pivot zone I'm seeing, another level, 176. Any pullback until then, if that happens, it's just a buy. It's very strong. Structure is to the upside. Yeah, cool, awesome. Well, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. And yeah, if you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe. Don't forget to check out my Junior Trader Dividend Investing channel. Link to this channel is in the description below. If you need access to my tools as well, links to my tools are in the description below of this video as well, guys. All right, with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.